Tired of crypto tax headaches? We're about to turn that frown upside down by seamlessly connecting your Binance account to Koinly. First, log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on the profile icon, then find the API management section. It's usually under security or account settings. Now, create a new API key. Label it something descriptive like Koinly tax so you know what it's for. Once you've created the key, make sure to restrict permissions to only. This is super important for security, preventing Koinly from making any trades or withdrawals. Copy both the API key and the secret key and store them somewhere safe. This secret key will only be shown once. Next, hop over to Koinly and log in. Go to the Wallets page and click at Wallet. Search for Binance in the search bar and select it. Now, choose the API option. This is where those keys from Binance come in. Paste your API key and secret key into the designated fields. Click Secure Import. Koinly will now start importing your Binance transaction history. This might take a few minutes, depending on how many transactions you have. If you run into issues, like missing transactions, double-check your API permissions on Binance. Make sure Enable Spot and Margin Trading is not checked. Only is enabled also. Ensure you've selected the correct Binance region in Koinly, and that's it. Your Binance transaction history is now in Koinly, simplifying your crypto tax reporting.